singing, but I can't hear.
I'm missing that. Let's go from getting the lyrics. So come down. Yeah, that's where I fucked up. Huh? It's more just the angle. You guys could actually bounce it in. Do you want to try that?
Well,
it'll be going directly at Jack.
no, well, ideally we want it going now.
Yeah, but it'll echo out, and that way you guys will hear it, and then the crowd will get it.
Let's check. Yeah, that could be cool.
Baby, can't you see I'm crawling? A girl that should wear a woman. It's dangerous. I'm crawling. There's no escape. I can't wait. I need it. Baby, give me it. It's dangerous.
That was a great idea.
Yeah.
I might need an earplug, but that's like deafening.
What?
Yeah, it's quite a...
Yeah. Would Brittany be
Can you turn the left or I don't know? Can you just left or right volume?
We can actually, you can either
fan the mics a bit more to come out of this one.
Now, I'm not.
I can also just like
adjust its volume. That should have its own volume
I
settings.
can
Oh, yeah,
blast
you can.
it across us.
You can. There is a volume on the back of that speaker, I think.
Oh yeah.
Because if you turn it too much this way, you'll get feedback on the mic. But that was you were standing.
Turn it
where
up
you
or
were
down?
going, right?
Oh, yeah, when I
I
was
think
here, yeah.
James wanted it down a bit.
Yeah, destroy my ear.
Give it a mic check. Mic check.
1, 1, 1, 2, 1.
That's probably okay when all of us play.
Yeah.
Again.
Yep.
It's okay.
Yep.
I'm
Yeah,
also,
that's all right.
But the
Well,
sound
what is
is.
that feedback? Is that your mic giving feedback when we move around?
no,